This is a 1991 Cadillac Brougham. This vehicle is just beautiful. It has just over 16,000 original miles, and it is polished up and running and driving great. Wonderful paint scheme, the light blue with the white interior. This vehicle was bought new in North Dakota, and now it is here at our dealership in Englewood, Colorado. Check out those hubcaps, those are just beautiful. These are the original tires. They're in very good shape. They should be used for show only. If you really want to drive this vehicle, we would highly recommend putting a new set of tires on it. But the gold royal seal around there is sweet because it matches all the gold emblems around the car. But check out this interior. Just gorgeous. Really a quiet, smooth ride when you're going down the road. It's got the digital dash. There you have it, 16,120 miles. Got your wipers there, they work good. Got a cruise control. You have your headlights. Got your Cadillac radio here. Climate controls here, automatic air conditioning, heat. Rear windows are only designed to go down about halfway. Seat recliner here. You go forward. It's got some different tilts. Tilt it forward and back. Really nice seat. These seats are just very comfortable. Got your nice map lights up there. And so this car was built custom for Herbert and Lorena. Can't get their last name there, but they were, story has it, they were farmers in North Dakota, and he custom ordered this car for himself. See the chrome there, embroidered in the door panel, very high quality. Doors shut solid. All the chrome trim, bright work on this vehicle is just in excellent condition. Alright, there you have it. This vehicle is equipped with a 5-liter 305 Chevy small block engine with a throttle body fuel injection. It also has an Overdrive automatic 4-speed transmission with it. It's a very, very reliable setup. You can see it's got power brakes, of course. It's got power steering. It's got air conditioning. This is just a very nice engine choice for this vehicle that GM put in here. Adequate power, fuel injection makes it start easy, run good, and very reliable. So you got a hood light there. Front end is just in beautiful shape. There's one chip that's been touched up right there. passenger seat control is on the passenger door. Also highly adjustable, just like the driver's side. Doors shut real nice and solid on this. Back seats, you got plenty of room back here. More of the same, excellent condition, original interior. Even the door pockets are in really good shape. And you are equipped with a ashtray and a lighter in the back, of course. If you're interested in this low mileage, clean 1991 Cadillac Brougham, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 60 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any more questions, please go to our website, scroll down. There'll be a link in the description. It'll take you right to this page on our website. There you can find the asking price and everything else. And if you have any more questions, please give us a call. Thanks.